Hey guys, this is Rob with Next Gen Writer here. I want to do a video today that's basically going to be part 3, or maybe it should be part 0, of the Alienrider M2 Pro upgrade to M2 Max process. So if you watched videos 1 and 2, basically I got the upgrade from Alienrider, and I started upgrading systems here in the Philippines. And all went well. We would upgrade, be able to change our screen orientation. And then I sent the upgrade to some customers over in the States, and they had some issues. Basically, when those devices were upgraded, the cameras would look like this. I put on a single camera, and they would be very distorted and not good. Everything else would work fine. LiDAR would work, CarPlay would work. But the cameras were hosed. So I did some digging into that, and there's a reason behind that. So basically, Asian units are 29.97 frames per second. They're not quite 30 frames per second. And the units that I sell in the United States and into Canada are full 30 frames per second. So there's slightly different hardware in the devices. So we figured that out, and I got the upgrade from Alienrider. We upgraded a couple of units in, what's my camera doing there? Upgraded a couple of units in the United States, and all was good. So I need to kind of circle back and do a video and close the loop on that. So that's what we're doing today. So now, if you go and look at the link, which I'll also post in this video, there's going to be 2 files. You're going to see the EN25F-US, which is going to be the software to upgrade US versions of the device, and then the EN30F-AS, which is for the Asian versions. Now I got to tell you, I had some viewers that, like one guy out in, I think he was in Russia or Ukraine, he did the procedure on an AliExpress unit that he bought. It had the English menu was kind of crazy and messed up, and it didn't have the Russian language option. So he used the original upgrade file, which is now the EN30F-AS, and upgraded that unit, was able to get Russian language on his device. So be aware. I need to throw out a cautionary warning here. Upgrade these devices at your own risk. I don't know how many flavors of hardware that Alienrider has and ships out throughout the world. I think this is it. I think we have the Asian versions and then the Western export versions, but they've not necessarily been really forthcoming or transparent with the information. You got to kind of ask. So anyway, that's what we're going to do today. So now I'm going to show you how, now on this unit here, this is running the US software, so I need to switch it over to the Asian software, which I have, and that's going to be the 30F. So we're going to take this device, pop the micro SD card in. Now we're going to boot it up. Keep this camera on. Okay. So you'll see the progress bar pop up, and it's going to hang right here at the beginning for a really long time. But I'm gonna try to put this video up real time, just so you guys get a sense and you can understand what's normal and what's not normal. But it'll sit here for a while, and then it'll quickly fill up. See how long that takes. Feel like I need some Jeopardy music here or something. Any minute now. There it goes. Okay. So now it fills the progress bar, and the progress bar disappears. So this is where we want to remove power from the unit. remove the micro SD card. And now we're going to bring the unit back up. Get our logo, good sign. All right, unit's booted. Now we go into DVR, and now you can see we have clean cameras. So the frame rate's matched, and we have the correct software. And we go into settings, and we have our screen rotation. Life is good. So there's a couple of options now you can try if you want to be adventurous and upgrade your M2 Pro to an M2 Max. Any questions? Drop some comments, and thanks for watching.